What is reference frame, ref?
Reference frame is the coordinate system that an observer uses to describe the world.
Isaac?
Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that pretty much everything is relative and dependent on
That's
your own
incorrect.
Inertial reference frame is a frame where you have an object infinite distance away from any other object. So if you push it, it moves. And if you drop it, it doesn't fall. But if I drop it, it does fall. So why is still Earth is approximately more or less an inertial reference frame?
by itself, like the whole planet, is an inertial reference frame, right? And that's because an ideal inertial reference frame is something where you have an object and there's absolutely no external force on it, according to that description. It's not going to get pulled by gravity or anything else.
What is the Earth velocity with respect to Sun?
Very close to, the centripetal,
64,000 miles per hour. What is the Earth velocity with respect to the galaxy?
I don't know.
About very close to 1 million kilometers per hour.
Yeah, but these are all with respect to external bodies.
But velocity never affects the inertial reference frame. So we can ignore the velocity.
The only thing that affects inertial reference frames are acceleration and
what is the Earth acceleration with respect to its own axis?
Zero. It's about constant.
0.003, which is 0. Good. What is the Earth acceleration with respect to the Sun? When is
very close to 0. I don't remember. It's like
0.00006, which is 0.
Well, yeah, I wouldn't expect the acceleration to be constant.
We agree with 0. 0.003 is 0. We agree. Why then I let it go and it falls? Why is that?
Well, I mean, we're pretty small, right? And also, we're talking about us with respect to the Earth. Now we're talking about our own reference frames. And our own reference frames aren't necessarily inertial. The Earth's reference frame is inertial. Me dropping this...
Now you're answering the question. Now let's go to Ref.
Okay. So,
Ref, Susskind said, you heard what Susskind said. And Susskind is as big as you can get.
Yeah.
Why Earth is an inertial reference frame?
That's right. So
approximately.
The Earth is an inertial reference frame. Why? Because the acceleration of the Earth around the Sun is 0, right? But if you drop a marker, then you see the marker accelerate. It's because now we're dealing with a completely different system, right? When you drop the marker system doesn't include the Earth.
Very good.
You just have the marker in a box.
Very good.
The force of the Earth on the marker.
Very good. Earth is the inertial reference frame, and inertial reference frame itself does not have 9.8 meters per second square.
Yeah, because when you drop the marker,